Welcome to Aspen Cooking, my friends. Have you ever felt tired, maybe even a little bit cranky after work, and you definitely don't have any energy to cook anything, and the only thing you want to do is just drink a little bit of wine? Well, you don't have to drink wine by itself. Super simple and delicious recipes coming from us to you. We're going to bake some brie, mini brie. We're going to use some Habanero Peach Jam, some walnuts, and some puff pastry. Let's get cooking, shall we? Puff pastry, coming right up. You get your puff pastry, give it a little roll, make it nice and circular and thin, and then we'll get some brie. Let's open this baby up. Let's have a look. Ooh, look at that. That thing's shredded. Come on. All right. That's extra. We don't need that. Split it in half, just like so. Done. We got some peach habanero jam. Yes, you got it. Made in Colorado. Let's pop this baby up. Oh, here we go. Delish. Fork this up. Put it on our top of our brie. Don't be stingy. How about we do both sides? Oh, by the way, so the oven is preheated to 420 degrees, and that is the temperature we need to bake this baby. So before you do any of your additional prep, go ahead and start preheating that oven. Walnuts. We don't want whole walnuts. We want them chopped up. Don't turn them into the dust, but into nice, manageable, chunky pieces. Use about a nice handful of those. Add these walnuts to our brie and habanero jam. Use as many or as little. Substitute walnuts for something else. Don't use nuts at all. Maybe put some berries on it. And we're gonna have to beat one egg. Yup. Beat that egg up. Fork it. Guys, making brie is an exact science. That is something you want to do for your own pleasure. Today, I didn't really want to eat a whole lot. I just wanted something with a glass of wine. So I'm going to take one half and do it like so. The other half, hopefully won't lose all of its nuts that are on top. We'll come on and do it just like that. Ooh, look at that jam coming out. Yeah, perfect. Now here's where our egg comes in. We just want to do this. On the edges, we will apply some egg, and it will help us to close and nicely seal our dough on top of the cheese. Alrighty. My wife wanted to see a dumpling happen here. So here's what I'm going to do. Now we have our baking dish and non-stick parchment paper. And hey, so this was our top. Now it's our bottom. Boom. Well, maybe we'll center it now. Perfect. Now guess what my wife made? She wanted to look pretty, she didn't want to look plain. Boom. I'm not even gonna go in and try to describe what and how she made this. Ooh. But this is what's going on the top. Just like that. See it? Awesomeness. Finishing touches. I'm gonna put in some more egg on top. We'll give that beautiful glaze. It goes into a 420 degree oven for 20 minutes or so. And in the oven it goes. While our brie is baking, we're going to drink some wine. And we prepped this super cool exposition for it, right? For you guys to see and enjoy and feast your eyes on. And wine. I love that sound. That Hard day of Tuesday. Alrighties, and here's our final result. Got my favorite knife. There's no small knife for a job, no big knife for a job. Here it comes. You guys ready for it? I'm ready to cut it. Oh, explosion. Oh, that jam. Man, it backfired on me. It popped at the backside. Oh. Yes. Yes. Boom. Dig into it. Jalapeno. Habanero, sorry. Habanero Peach Jam. With wine, it's the best. Guys, if you like what you see, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. I'll be back with more simple and easy videos like